Okay, this is question 3 from our trig sheet. So once again we are trying to identify the formula. There it is there to put into our calculator. It's a bit more complicated. 66 plus 48 sine bracket 3 times pi divided by 2 times the variable. We use the X button of course for that. Definitely need brackets around all of that. 3 times pi divided by 2 will give you that coefficient that you need. Right, so you can try putting that into your calculator. It might be quite hard to find this sine curve, the y-axis. For a hint, the 66 plus 66 moves the axis, the trig curve up to around there. Quite a high amplitude as well. The amplitude's 48, so we're going to have to add 48 and subtract 48 from the 66, giving me 18 and 114. So it would be quite hard to find that curve if you're just putting the equation in. It's a sine curve. Sine curves start in the middle there. Once again, our x-axis, you can of course try 2 pi. Hunt around, you could go up to 6, you could go from 0 to 10 on the x-axis to try and find one cycle. We could use the formula, the new period equals 2 pi divided by the coefficient. Of course it's quite a complicated coefficient this time. You can put all that into the calculator and you end up with a number like 4.3 recurring, or 4/3 actually is a fraction, so that number there is 1.3 recurring. So you can use 2, you could make your x-axis from 0 to 2 and you'll get one complete cycle. And the question says how long in each cycle the yo-yo is within 50 centimetres of the ground. So once again our x-axis is time, and that's in seconds. And the y-axis is the height of the yo-yo, so it's starting here, going up, down. So if we want to find how long in each cycle the yo-yo is within 50 centimetres of the ground, that means below 50 centimetres. So all the way around here the yo-yo is less than 50 centimetres off the ground. So I'm going to need to know that time and that time there. And obviously our answer will be the difference between those two. You can use gsolve and xcal to find those values, or you can draw a line across at 50 and use gsolve and intercept. The first value is 0.73878 and the second value is 1.2612. So doing the subtraction to work out the length of time in between those two values will give you a time of 0.522 seconds in each cycle that the yo-yo is 50 centimetres or below.